Hey guys, and welcome to another Factorio Mod Spotlight. I'm Exterminator, and thank you for joining me. Today we are covering the Mon Rock mod, and this one is fairly new, about 2 weeks old, but it caught my eye because it was something a bit different to do with rockets and how you get space science. So what this does is this essentially replaces the launching of a satellite into space and then getting space science directly in return with a little more complex system. It's not super complex, but it is more complex that the developer thought would maybe make a little more sense than just launching a rocket and a satellite and then randomly somehow getting science. So what this adds is this Mon Rock. Okay, now, you know, I guess so we have a moon around this planet, and this adds this Mon Rock, which you get, you can see here, oh, that's a wrong mod, but you get this Mon Rock, which you get by launching these mining drills, these space drills into space. And then this will return Mon Rock. And you then make your space science packs from the Mon Rock. Okay, so, you know, the theory is as you go up, you mine some stuff off of a moon or asteroid or whatever, bring it back down, and then you refine that and research it and turn it into research packs. Okay, so there's two types of drills, a Mark 1 and a Mark 2. And excuse these graphics, the dev is asking for anyone who wants to do graphics for this. I guess they just used a very basic program, but hopefully better graphics to come. So there's this space drill Mark 1. And you can see there down at the bottom, it gives you 1,000 Mon Rock. And it's a very similar recipe to the satellite. It does require mining drills, which the satellite obviously does not. But other than that, it's pretty similar. It doesn't require the radars though. However, the Mark II drill gives you 2,000 Mon Rock, and this is a fair bit more expensive. It takes the Mark I, and then it also takes control units and 20 of each level 3 module. Okay, and this will again return 2,000 Mon Rock. Now, with the space science, it's a 1-to-1. So 2 Mon Rock equals 2 space science packs. So if you get 2,000 Mon Rock, you get 2,000 space science packs. If you get, you know, if you do this, you're going to get 1,000 science packs from it. So it's a 1-to-1 conversion. So we have a rocket here ready. I'm going to go ahead and load a space drill into here. And we're going to launch it, and theoretically this should return Mon Rock, which we can then unload into a chest. Not that kind of chest though. Doesn't really matter, but this will launch. Now, I hate to admit, I somewhat forget if you get 1,000 or 2,000 from a satellite normally. I want to say it's 2,000. So if you want to match that, you would actually need to do this space drill. And you can see there we are in fact unloading this Mon Rock. And then the Mon Rock you can just turn into the packs. I would assume just in a lab. Or not a lab, a assembler. There's no special thing for it, so you just go here and insert it in and you get your space. So if you want a little bit of a different way of acquiring space science packs, maybe get a little more expensive if you do happen to go to the Mark II drills, because, you know, do remember these are like satellites, and the fact that you have to launch one each time you launch a rocket if you want the stuff. So, you know, this is a fair bit more expensive, but if you want something a bit, you know, to spend a bit more resources on and a little bit of a different process of getting space science, then definitely check this out. I can see lots of potential for something like this in the future. Like a thought off the top of my head is, instead of it just instantly returning stuff to you, you launch a drill or some such into space, and then you have like a special chest or a special machine or building or something that will just like continually over time receive Mon Rock, and the more you launch into space, the faster you'll get it, and then the faster you can get space science packs, which I think would be pretty cool. Something like that, but we'll see what happens in the future. That's going to do it for this one, guys. Link in the description as always to check out this mod, and any thoughts, questions, do leave down below. But until next time, I look forward to seeing you all, and do take care.